see here, now you will appreciate how to speak effectively by controlling the tone of your voice in different places. Let us listen to the rhyme.
Control your voice and be clear. Raise or lower so all can hear. Whether they are far or near, have no fear. Have no fear. Control your voice and be clear. Raise or lower so all can hear. Whether they are far or near, have no fear. Have no fear. Speak softly. Speak softly. Speak soft is really great for telling secrets that must be safe. Speak softly. Speak softly. Speak softly. Speak softly. Speaking soft is really great for telling secrets that must be safe. Speak softly. Speak softly. Control your voice and be clear. Raise or lower so all can hear. Whether they are far or near, have no fear. Have no fear. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Speaking loud is really great when you want to shout hip hooray. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Speaking loud is really great when you want to shout hip hooray. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Control your voice and be clear. Raise or lower so all can hear. Whether they are far or near, have no fear. Have no fear. Speak clearly. Speak clearly. Speaking clear is really great